Hi guys, I can't believe I'm saying this again after 1 year. But this is your boyfriends and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, we're on our way to NAIA Terminal 3. Let's go! Hi guys, I just really want to quickly document this kasi earlier, today pala by the way is October 28, 2024, and earlier, something came in the mail. And it's from Attic Tours Philippines kasi nag-apply po tayo ng visa for Japan. And so titingnan natin now. I'm trying to document this guys kasi hindi din sinabi ng Attic Tours yung results kasi confidential daw. Bawal daw malaman. So, I am gonna try to document this just to see, no? I'm really hoping na, of course, sana may visa dito. Paano ba malalaman if denied? Wala namang ibang laman yung envelope eh, yung passport ko lang. But let's see. Wait lang. Yun agad yung unang nakuha ko. Yun agad yung unang nakita ko, guys. May visa po tayo! Anong pangit ko dyan? Para akong multo dyan. Very Japanese ghost. Ganyan. And it is a multiple visa! I just really had to document this. Although I already had a feeling na baka multiple kasi a lot of my friends, including my office mates, were saying na pag CPA daw, kesyo ganyan, pag licensed professional ganyan, mostly nakakapag multiple. But I wasn't really necessarily getting my hopes up para at least naman hindi ako masyadong ma-disappoint. So, this is definitely a surprise kasi yung plano ko was to make a follow-up with Attic Tours on Thursday pa, which is October 31, 2024. Kasi yun yung ika-10th working day. Sabi kasi nila, I can only make a follow-up pagkadating ng 10th to 14th working day. Tapos yung 10th working day is on Thursday, October 31. So, I was intending to make a follow-up then. Pero, surprisingly, dumating na po ito, ang aking pasaporte with a Japanese visa, valid for 10 years. Oh! Akalain nyo yun? Yung province boy, yung prom D from Leyte, na hindi nga masyadong nakakapag-travel, was given a multiple entry visa to Japan. Ibig sabihin guys, I can go to Japan na pabalik-balik without applying for visa every single time. Pero na lang po ang kulang, so baka naman mga sponsors natin dyan. Char. But I'm really happy. Today was just hard day at work. Sobrang dami kong ginawa. Sobrang dami kong deadlines. Monday na Monday. And then this one is definitely my savior. Alam mo yun, yung parang of all the bad things that happened today, this was the best thing. This was the best good thing that happened. I'm just super happy. My mind is not thinking straight. But thank you so much, Attic Tours. Hindi, Raxo yung pinapakita ko, pero ito pala yung Attic Tours. Yan. Thank you so much, Attic Tours, for the smooth assistance ng pag-process ng visa application ko and my friend who also got a multiple entry kasi chinek ko na. But really, thank you so much, Attic Tours. I really hope na this video could reach to you at some point and could reach your possible clientele or customers. They are legit, guys. And sobrang smooth lang, sobrang gaan kausap. I actually applied through Attic Tours Cebu. Kasi parang if you're in Visayas, somewhere in Visayas, wala naman kasing Attic Tours here in Tacloban or here in Leyte. So I had to apply in Cebu. So sobrang bilis. I was actually thinking na baka first week of November pa dumating kung 14 working days talaga. But it arrived earlier. Parang less than 10 working days lang. So congratulations, Attic Tours. Congratulations to me pala. And thank you, Attic Tours. I'm just super happy. Bye. Hi guys, it's a Friday, 3 days before our Japan trip, and I'm still not ready. I have yet to pack, and there's a typhoon coming. Actually, tonight parang magla-landfall ata siya somewhere in Eastern Samar. So, I was thinking na baka magkaroon ng brownout. So, before the brownout, so I have to beat the brownout. I have to pack my things na, so I still can use my vacuum sealer. Ano bang tawag doon? I just bought it on TikTok, so let's see kung effective din siya, no? And right now, to be honest, I'm quite sleepy. Kasi time check, it is, I think, around 1 AM. And kakatapos ko lang din mag-work. So, now, medyo nag-rest ako ng konti. And feel ko yung mga kailangan kong i-pack. Ito yun. Ito sila, oh. So, here's the before, guys. Before this gets vacuumed. Let's see if the vacuum I bought on TikTok works. Update, the vacuum works, guys. See. Link on my bio. Hi guys, it's already 5 AM and I just finished packing. Actually, not tapos, but I think I just exceeded my check-in baggage allowance. It's either I give up some things or I upgrade my baggage allowance. Let's see, but really I'm so tired. I think I've been running on caffeine for the last 5 hours and the exhaustion is slowly kicking in. So I think I have to call it a night or a day for that matter. Hopefully the weather is good today. Hopefully everyone is safe in Samar and Eastern Samar. And hopefully we can finish packing because our flight is tomorrow. So bye guys. Hi guys, we just went through immigration, approved. So, tuloy na tuloy po ang ating pagja-Japan. Hi guys, we just got transferred to boarding gate 109. Originally, yung boarding gate namin was on 107. But, transfer kami. I don't know why. So, we're on our way there. So hi guys, just like what I said earlier, nakapasa na po kami sa immigration. And isa lang po yung question sa akin. The officer just asked me if I was working in the government. Siyempre I said no. So pagkatapos nun, tinatakan niya yung passport ko. And now we're here sa boarding gate 109. We're waiting for our boarding to Osaka. No, that's that. That's Marielle. Bye. Hi guys, we're currently now here in Osaka Airport, actually Kansai International Airport. And magpapapalit po muna tayo ng pera kasi hindi tayo nagpapalit sa Pilipinas. Ito na pala, sorry. Mahal ng rate. Hi guys! So nakapagpapalit na po tayo ng pera and we committed the biggest mistake of our lives. Hindi kasi nag-avail kami ng foreign currency exchange dito sa airport. Tapos the buying rate was at 2.33. Tapos yung isang kaibigan namin si Steph, hi Steph, nag-withdraw lang siya gamit yung GoTime account niya and the buying rate was 2.53. Sobrang laki ng difference guys. Hindi na natin i-compute pero malaki yung difference. So medyo heartbreaking siya for me. But lesson learned the hard way. But ayun, we're in Osaka. So we're still happy. And konnichiwa! OMG! Ayun, nakalabas na po tayo ng airport. And guys, sobrang lamig. Mas malamig sa labas ng airport kaysa sa loob. Are you kidding me? Ilang degrees Celsius kaya? Sobrang lamig talaga. Good thing I'm wearing heat tech long sleeves. Pero ang lamig sa muka, tsaka lamig sa kamay. Anyway, we're still trying to figure out how to go to our hotel at Namba. Ay, ayan nahulog. Sorry guys, nahulog yung laptop bag ko. Ayan, sa kaka-vlog yan. So now, parang iniwan ako ng mga kasama ko. I'm still trying to look for them. Okay. Nandito na kami ngayon sa terminal. Wait, let me show you. Hi guys, we're currently on board a Nankai Rapid train and we are gonna drop at Shinimaniya Station kasi yun yung nearest sa accommodation namin. So, wait lang guys, let me show you how it looks like. Okay guys, so the Korea curse is real. Akala namin di kami magbubuhat ng mga bagahe namin sa mga stairs, but look at those stairs. And because I'll be carrying my 19 kilogram luggage patas. So let's go, west exit. By the way, yung binubuhat ko na lang ngayon is my hand carry luggage kasi andito na yung 19 kilos. Tapos na po. Hi guys, after several minutes of walking, carrying our heavy luggages, finally natagpuan na namin yung hotel namin. Yan o. So, let's go enter. Hi guys, we're currently inside our hotel and mag-rest lang muna kami for 5 minutes and then afterwards, kakain ng dinner. So, inform ko kayo later. Okay? Okay, bye.
Okay, Airbnb type me again.
Fit check. TikTok? H&M? TikTok. Hi guys, we're currently here at Family Mart and sadly bawal kumain dito. So we're gonna take our food out. Doon na lang namin kakainin sa hotel. So okay, that's that. We're still waiting for Mariel kasi as usual very indecisive ang ating lola. So that's Family Mart. Yan o, Family Mart. This is where we're supposed to eat. Pero sinabihan kaming bawal. I mean, we asked for permission pero bawal daw. So, we're just gonna eat this in our hotel. Hey guys, so nakapalit na kami. Let's eat. Dito na lang ako kakain dito sa may gas stove. Kasi maliit lang yung place talaga. And that's my dinner. Medyo may kamahalan siya guys. So hopefully masarap. Nanamdam na ako ngaran custard something. Okay, nanamdam ako itong may daniyo sa nga vlog na. Oo, na dinner na ba yung